Arabesque is one of the most important positions in ballet, and it's something that you'll see the most frequently on stage. What exactly is an arabesque and what does it look like? Basically, it's any time when you have that back leg straight, you want to pull in tight through the stomach, the standing knee can be straight, it can be bent, and then there's a variety of positions that we can do for the arms. First, second, third position in arabesque, what does that mean? Well, it's all about your port de bras, which again means carriage of the arms. First arabesque, you're stretching out long, the side arm is open here. You want to take that into second arabesque. I'm going to close and cross the arms, reaching across. Third arabesque, open those arms up. So this is the 3 basic positions in arabesque for your ballet class or your Ballet Beautiful workout.